Here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres, material's been wetted. Basically it's potch and colour, that's just potch, but something like that's worth where you start, worthwhile to start with something like that just to get the feel for how hard it is to cut, which is generally it's not that hard. i.e. Mohs hardness, not hard difficult. Nice little electric green stone there. Just a good practice material, there's nothing in that piece. Whether you're clever enough to cut that to get the flash, difficult. That brown might come off there and you end up with just a nice little stone. Maybe cut that there into a pendant shape. The rest of it's fairly ordinary. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.